Good morning, family. Welcome in. Today, we're doing something a little bit different than normal. A little bit different. We're on Apex. We only have 5 because I want to make sure we're not idiots. I want to make sure we're not stupid before we go to 520. But, yeah. Yeah, we're in here live with the hours, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it work. What's up, King? Let's go, baby. First like slap. G me, King. Let's go, Corey. Welcome in, family. Hey. Hope everybody's feeling great after the weekend. Chart does look insane, huh? What an opening range. Chart looks insanity. Where are we going? Are we finding more sell side? Look at our hourly chart here. Maybe, just maybe. Maybe, just maybe, something like this. I don't know, family. Let's see what happens. Jeez, Apex tie. We're in here, Mo. Let's go, family. Only 5 today. I want to make sure I'm not an idiot. You know what I mean? I haven't traded with these before, so I want to make sure we're not being crazy. Risk management. We're gonna trade 5 until I get a little bit more comfortable with this new trade of 8. Everything. Also, family, how do I set up? How do I copy trade on here? Does anyone know how to do that? How do I set that up right now? Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in, King. Happy Monday, sir. Hope you had a great weekend. Risk settings. Your profile. Do we know how to add these so that they're all copy trading from here? I feel like it can't be that hard. Click drop down on the account, create group. You're the man, Matrix. Manage groups. Is that what you mean? Group name. Here we go. Apex. I'll just do 50k's. I don't really know what to name it. Apex 50k's. Let's see what that's good. Oh, okay, yeah. And I can just add these in. All right. Save that. All group settings saved. Okay. Is that active? We good? Is that now good? Good morning, Danny. Welcome in, Queen. Happy to have you here. Hope you're doing great. Hope the weekend was good. Hope your kitty's feeling awesome. Good morning, Paul. Welcome in, sir. Happy to have you. Wani. Good morning, King. It's all over. New era. New era, baby. We on to Apex now. See what type of trouble we can get into. I'm only trading 5 today. I don't want to be an idiot. I've never traded with this. I haven't traded with this platform in a long time, so I think it'd be a little unsafe, a little poor risk management to go in with 20 right away. But see how these 5 go. See how we feel comfortable. See if we can get used to executing on this new platform and see how everything goes. Now select the group you just created. Got you. Apex 50k's. You're the man, Matrix. Shout out you, King. Good morning, everyone. Hope you have a great weekend. Let's get this money. Let's go, TLR. Let's go, baby. Good energy, good vibes, King. Let's go. New days, new vibes, new opportunity. It's Monday after all. Nice haircut, Ty. Looks tough. You're the man, work. Appreciate you, King. Appreciate you, King. Hourly chart here. Looks like we're trying to take new highs of the session. Just reaching right now. I wouldn't mind finding a little bit of a dip. Just a little bit of a dip before we get some more action. We'll see what happens, though. It's our first time on Apex, family. Should I put a little micro in just to make sure everything's working right? I haven't messed around with this yet, so. What's up, Kev? Good morning, King. Good morning, Kev. Buying SP and Dow at the moment since London. Let's go, work. Just getting in there since London. You've just been pushing up just like NQ. I love it. Remember, if you want to place number one NQ or you need to place 5. Remember, if you want to place one NQ order, you need to place 5. Where are your buy and sell buttons? Where are my buy and sell buttons, Danny? Huh. The only way to enter is from here. If I go like, oh, because trade mode's off. Right here. There we go, Queen. I hadn't tried trade mode off. It should be in that gray box. Boom. Boom. We loaded. We loaded and active. What do you mean if I need to place 1, I need to place 5? Matrix. So if I put one order right here, I need to put that on all 5 of the accounts. Change the quantity to 5 because you have 5 accounts. Really? So if I trade, I'm just put an order in. See, I'm gonna keep doing that. That's why I'm gonna make so many mistakes with this new platform. I'm gonna like click on trying to do shit and put orders. So I have to have 5 on right here to trade 1 per account. Is that true? Is that real? Or so the 1 doesn't copy across all of them? If you have a 5 accounts and want 5 each, you buy 25. Yes, y'all are the best. Shout out everybody for letting me know. Did not know that. So now we're walking officially 5. So hypothetically, go ahead and test it on a micro. Hypothetically, had we just, that's a great option. Let's go MNQ here. Micro NASDAQ. Yes, previous settings. Bada bing, bada boom. Mr. Worldwide as I step in a room. I'm a hustler, baby. But that you knew. All right, so we're in MNQ right here. Let's just go to 1. I go 5. So 5 MNQ. All right. Not loving it, but I'm just gonna go just for a quick little order, see what we can do here, family. I'm gonna put a little short order in, see what type of trouble we can get into here. Sell 5. Sell.
Order filled.
All right, so I just got tapped in, and now we're in 1 micro. Holy shit, this is gonna get crazy. We're going to be messing around with fucking crazy leverage here, family. I just put a quick little order in to see what would happen. Now that we're in, though, I don't know. Oh, I actually have to be smart about this because we really could take a drawdown. All right, let's see what happens. If we keep pushing the high, I'm just going to close this. I want to see if we can find some respect at this top. So now I have to sell 5 to get out. Can I just sell market 5 and I'll get out immediately, right? Oh, no, we're down $100 already, family. Oh, wait, no, we're not. We're down. Okay, yeah, this is going to take a minute for me to get used to, family. That's why I wanted to just do 5 accounts. Not that I don't think that we know what we're doing. It's just new opportunity. We got to make sure we're being smart. Good risk management. I can't just throw 20 accounts at it right away without knowing exactly what we're doing. But once we get comfortable, family, 20's coming. See how we can do. Also, if we're them and we take a payout off the first attempt, that'd be crazy. Now you can click and put in your stop loss and put your TP. Okay. It's cool. So then I'm going to rinse a stop loss here. If we take out this high. Oh, wait, no. I sold, so I have to buy back. So buy 5 stop. There we go. If we take out this new high. And then I can... And that's where my order is for 1. Oh, but that's only 1. Oh, but that's because it's on the chart. All right. Come on, NASDAQ. Starting to respect us a little bit here at this price. I'm loving it. Y'all are the best. Let's get it. Let's go, Jay. Welcome in, King. Now you have to buy 5 to exit, not sell if you want. Welcome if you become 10 total. Appreciate y'all. It's going to get a little bit tricky for me to get used to this, but I'm liking it so far. It's going to be a little bit of a learning curve, family, but that's what we're doing here together. Getting better, learning. We're going to have a quick stop loss just if we take out this new high, and if we continue to push back down, yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Not really looking for much here. Just wanted to get a touch and a feel and a little introduction to the old Apex. Push through this EMA. Show me something here, Nazi. Did we just close a little win? Just have our first successful trade on Apex? I don't really want to... What are we actually looking for today, family? Let's take a quick look at this hourly chart. Look at this. We're just taking new highs right now. Oh, looks like we're going to get stopped out. Let's watch ourselves get stopped out. King, hey mean, welcome in, family. Happy Monday. Hope you're feeling great. Hope the weekend was rejuvenating. If we push through this price, I guess we could go take out. I mean, this is the opening week gap price that we're still inside of. I feel like my stop loss is at a shitty spot, but I think we're actually gonna get like a little bit of chance to find some respect here. It's interesting. Yeah, I mean, overall, I don't mind where we're at, what we're doing here. Have our hourly chart up just to get better levels, better price ideas. Also have our minute up, you know, classic us. Let's go, family. Just getting an idea of it. So right now we're down, what, 25 per account, and then that's why it's saying 150. We're learning. We're learning. Boom, 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 boom. Looks like we're going to get stopped out here for our first little try.
Stop filled.
We did. We just got stop filled. Looks like we lost 37 per account times 5. So, cool, cool, cool. We learned. We're learning. If you aren't liking Apex after these accounts, trust me, My Funded Futures with Quantower. Holy, I love that firm. I know. What do y'all usually trade with? Like, this is Tradeovate. I know Quantower is another option. What do y'all usually mess with? Just curious. Just curious. Sorry, I missed your message, Saucy. Good morning, King. Hope you're feeling good. NASDAQ finding some buying out the open here. NASDAQ finding some buying out the open here. Way off the print here. Opening print price. Opening print price started the 538s. We're already up into the 617s right now. Buyers reaching. Let's be patient here. Getting ready for our first 15 minutes. November 10th. Hope everybody's feeling great. I hate Tradeovate. Not trading friendly at all. It does feel a little clunky. Past 2 evals last Friday with YM. Let's go, Eli. King trading right there, sir. It does feel a little clunky, Mo, but we'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Yo, I don't know how many likes we're at yet, family, but there's 20 beautiful people yet. If y'all have not yet, I appreciate you guys. Hit the like button. Let's see if we can get this stream rolling. Trying out Apex today. Trying out the old Apex today. Looks like we should have just bought right at the open. I wanted to short this little candle, see if we get a rotation. But right now, the buyers are stepping in. Excuse me. I guess we could maybe look to auction in around these 645s, but even that feels like we're going to keep pushing. So, going to be patient, family. Going to be patient, not rushing into anything crazy. Especially after Project X, are these other platforms feel uncomfortable? I know, that's the thing. I'm so used to that speediness of Project X, so it's going to be weird, but we can make money with a little bit of clunkiness. We can be a little bit dinosaurs. Tradeovate is a dinosaur. Yeah, Kevin, exactly. But Ninja Trader looks better, but we got to make adjustments. That's it, King. We got to be flexible. We got to be flexible. I would have loved to still be trading with platform Project X just because of the simplicity of it. But, hey, we're professionals. We can adjust. Tradeovate feels outdated. Also can't use brackets when copy trading. Yeah, that's insane. That's insane, but it's just proper risk management, Robbie. It means we just got to put our orders in ourselves, our stop loss, and our entries. It's going to be a little bit of a learning curve, you know, right? Just a little bit of a learning curve. We were used to how it was, so that's basically the biggest thing. I just had a lot of comfort and experience with Project X and Top Step, but hey, baby, we're on to Apex now. We're on to Apex now. We'll see how we do, family. If I hate it, we might try Quantower. If I hate Tradeovate, and then if I still am struggling with that, who knows? We'll see what happens. Maybe try trading view out. Right now, we're finding a little bit of weakened buying at this high here. A little bit of weakened buying. I didn't really do great at looking for the rules. Guys, what can I hit today? So I have the accounts brand new. Can I pass? It's not same day passing right now, right? That's not the rules right now. So what is my target? Do I have to hit 30% of the consistency today? I didn't do a good job of looking at the rules. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I ain't going to lie to y'all. I got to go do that real quick because otherwise we going to look goofy. We going to look goofy. Bump, 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 bump. Profit goal is 3,000, obviously, but I can't do that in one. You can pass in one day. You can. Looking for a pullback to the 570 area, rehigh or longs. I like that, Corey. Pull back to 570 area, rehigh for longs. I like that. See what happens up around those 70s then. I mean, those 570s. I like a little pullback into there as well. I can pass one day. Okay. Pass one day. And I can only trade 5 cons, right? And you can't take 30% drawdown. Okay. Okay, so we can make some money. We can make some monies here. I'm going to go back to NQ now that I know what I'm doing. Now that I'm a little bit more comfortable. Just a wee bit more comfortable. You know what I mean, darling? Yeah, very good. And ES also pushing the highs right now. Also pushing the highs. Stop it. Not trying to do that. Check me trade mode off for you. Good, very good. Very good. Yeah, NQ is looking pretty strong off this opening hourly print here. NQ is looking pretty strong. I also like the 590s for a little bit of a pullback. 10. Danny, you talking about 10 contracts? Holy shit, you're right. Sorry about that, family. I'm learning. This feels clunky, but y'all are the best for riding with me. We're going to figure out how to... We're going to get a little bit more comfortable. Again, it's our first try with Apex, so... It's always going to be a little uncomfortable, a little bit different, but once we get used to it, we're going to be just stealing from them like we told from Top Step. Looking for a short at the 686 to 75s. I like that. See if we get up there. And it's not bad up and around this hourly range. Previous day VWAP roughly. I think I might just be looking for longs right now. Kind of feels like we're going to go find a cliff at some point. But also no, the longs could just be in. So may just be looking for a nice little pullback. Join the longs. I think I like the 90s for an attempt. Safest is probably going to be these 28s, but that doesn't feel like we'll get back there. So I don't know. We'll see what happens, family. You can probably use one Project X account and use a trade syncer and have Apex as a follower account. Yeah, I tried that too, Kevin, but there's no third party trading like trade syncer that lets you connect them like that. And I guess it's prohibited, actually. You can trade between prop firms. I thought of doing that, too, because I imagine you could run like 50 accounts through just one. You could have Apex, you could have MFF, TPT, a little Top Step, and run it through one account would be ideal. But it's okay. We can be adaptive. We really can. Look at this strong buying out the open here, family. Let's get ready for our drawing tool. See if we can still draw shapes. Rectangle. Very good. Very good. Oh, okay. Very good. 9:44. 44. Here's our 44th minute. That is our first 15-minute range here, family. Is there any way to like change the settings of this? Yo, look at this. You can't even change settings in here. Oh shite. What are we doing here, family? All right, I'm gonna try one here, fam. Into the 650s. I kind of want to find a short. Stepping into a price, I wouldn't mind trying to see a reaction. 662s, I think, would be my stop. Pushing outside of the 15-minute range here. We're gonna sell 5. Sell 5 limit. See if we can get a fill. We're looking for a 644 fill. Might not get it now that we're outside of the range again. Interested. We're interested. Depending on what this price does. If we pull back in towards, I mean, the 50% of the range is around the 585s. We'll see what happens. I'm not shorting. I'm not starting a short till 686. Very risky. I don't disagree, Mo. I really don't. This is kind of what I was hoping to see with just a little push. I just didn't get my fill. I wanted to have one candle on, then we'd have our break even on. Oh man, putting break even on is going to be interesting too. All right. We're learning here, guys. Like I'm saying, it's going to be a learning curve, but once we get comfortable with trading Apex and we can actually start using the leverage for the 20 accounts, we're going to be looking pretty strong, so kind of don't want to see price re-push outside of this 15-minute range. Not going to lie to you. I was hoping to get our fill up here, and then we'd be in this range right now. We'd be up 20 points. We'd be up, but we didn't get our push, so now we got to wait. NASDAQ starting to push off of these 644s into the 615s. Into the 615s. NASDAQ, where you going, girl? Oh, where you going, girl? What is our 15-minute range? 523 to the 638. So 110 points. So it's pretty good. It's pretty steep. NASDAQ trying to hold this EMA. Makes me not really like our order a little bit more now. If we continue to hold this. But we're going to see what happens. New entry, new account, fresh cut. And that boy got the muscle out. Let's go, Ty. Let's go, Keith. You're the man, bro. Welcome in, King. Stoked to have you, bro. Let's get focused this week. Let's get serious. We're trying Apex out. New us. See what we can do. It's going to be a new try. We're going to learn a lot, lose a lot. That's why I'm only running 5 accounts right now. Didn't feel it was great risk management to run 20 accounts when I don't have much experience with it. So probably just a donation. If we're them and we can take a payout out of our first ever Apex attempts, then that would be its own thing. But most likely we're going to bust our first attempt. So I figured it'd be smart to run in with a little bit less size. Like, we're not going to full port. We're not, you know what I mean? We're not going to just full port. So we'll see what happens. NASDAQ testing into the 612s here. Let's see. Kind of want to see a buy here as well, maybe. I wouldn't mind maybe buying into this 88s, but we're starting to get some selling. I'm going to take our selling order off at the top here now. Would you like to cancel? And 4 others, yes. Okay, that order got canceled. Boom. We got to cancel. Took a short from the 20s. Yeah, great try, Queen. I tried to get in a little higher at the top of the range. Missed it, but I love the entry there, Danny. Good risk trading. Good job. 25,600 whole number. Trying to be some resistance here. I'm going to buy 5 at these 87s. 587s if we can get there. I'm going to buy 5 at these 87s. We are back below this EMA, so it could be interesting. Could be pretty interesting. Let's see what happens here. Back into the 15s here at the EMA. I guess it'd be a little interesting to see if we get a nice push through this level. Wouldn't really like our buy order anymore. Might have to be patient on the next candle. Apex is weird because you kind of can't like afford the drawdown. You have to kind of like, you know what I mean, hit it. So we'll see what happens here, but did you copy across accounts? I think so. It's a good point. I never really looked. Apex 2 90. Yes. Yes, I mean, they copied. Is there a way to check quickly? Oop. Is there a way to quickly check your, like, orders? Or, like, your value, your account balances? Is it here? Orders? No. Is there a way to check, like, all 20 at once? Like, so you can just kind of have updated information? I don't know. Or all 5. I only have 5 right now, but looking for some orders. I'm interested in maybe buying these 587s. Kind of finding a lot of selling reaction back and around this price, though. We'll see what happens here. A lot of selling volume just picking up through these 87s. Respecting the EMA makes me not really like our fill a little bit more, but we're going to try it. Tight stop on this. Can't put our stop loss in until we get filled. Same 580. Did you copy? Same 580. I like that, Eli. Let's see it. 80 is a little bit safer. I'm looking for the 87s. I'm going to take a little drawdown possibly. Be careful with contract size. If you have 5 accounts and want to enter 1 mini, so you should do 5 minis instead of 1. Yep, you're the man, mate. I mean, I was informed of that. We gave it a test, seeing what happens. Finished my day full TP on Dow and SP. Let's go work. That was easy. That was easy, King. I have a work meeting. Good luck, all. Take it easy, Saucy. You're the man, brother. Looks like we might get tapped into our long here. 587 on the NASDAQ. Just got teased. Looking to get in with 1 micro or 1 mini per account. So 5 accounts. Let's see if we can get a fill here. Feels like we will. Now the real question is, if once we do, are we going to get it to hold? That's the next discussion. It feels like you're going to give us a fill, right, NASDAQ? Surely you're going to come give us a little taparoonie and cheese down here. Smash that like button before I go. Sasha, the man. If we haven't yet, family, let's get these likes going. Trading Apex today. Everything's different. Everything's different. We got a lot of learning to do, but I'm really excited about it. Optimistic about the future. I think we're going to start crushing. Okay? I think so. And I also kind of like the fact that you have to see the leverage or the price of 5 accounts, because it's going to make your brain think a little bit differently about it. I used to like seeing that it was like single, but I don't know. I kind of like the idea of getting used to more leverage by seeing the price move faster. Come on, NASDAQ. You did not just turn exactly at our price and not give us a chance, right? Right? We did not just get that unlucky, right? Y'all seen that. NASDAQ trying to respect our price. Would have been beautiful if we got tapped in there. Like just perfect. But we just missed by a little blink of a blink there. Patient. We'll see what happens here. See what happens here, family. How we doing, though? How we feeling? How's the Monday treating everybody? Are we excited for the week ahead? Are we ecstatic? Are we stoked? Are we a little nervous, a little optimistic? I'm a little bit nervous. New Apex accounts. New things to learn. But man, if we can start figuring it out, it sounds like it's going to be profitable. TP hit and ready for the next day. Let's go, Amy. That was easy. I love it, King. Good trading. Amy's crushing. Work's crushing. Let's go. Full TPs. Danny's still in her short from the 20s, maybe. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Still really upset we just got ticked out or just missed our long here. Just missed our long. True forgotten. Tyler, you have to click on the group selection. Oh, that one. Yeah. Plus Apex. I think I did. True. Appreciate you. I think it's the group. Apex 50k's account group with these 5. I think I got it, King. Now you make me doubt myself again. Wait to see if we can break that 1 minute high. If not, maybe see some sellers. I like that, Amy. Still inside of our 15-minute range. If the buyers can't push up through here, then yeah, it could be its own little selling. Let's see what happens. I was looking for a buy back here at these 80s, but looks like we just got missed. Just oh so slightly missed there. Bump 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 bump. Here come the buyers. Can we get through this high? If we can, sellers might be losing. If the buyers continue to defend the top of this 15-minute range, though, it could be its own reaction. That's why I enter the 25 points. If price 90%, I get my orders executed. I love it. It's simple. That's simple, I mean. Very consistent, easy, repeatable strategy is the way to find some success in this. That's the way to do it. It's the way to play. That's why I entered waiting for the 1 hour to close. At this point, it's a good idea. Damn, and this doesn't have like the news updated for like when we have news and stuff. Man, family. We really have a lot of learning to do. Don't have our news little bolts, little information when we get news and everything. Ugh. NASDAQ. Imagine, family, if we just perfectly ticked this price. Look how fucking close we were. Holy shit. 0.75 off from having just a beautiful entry. We'd be up really nice. But, oh well. Oh well. Are we still printing right now? Sweeping past that 50-minute high? Feels like the longs are in. How goes the new prop journey? King, welcome in, Sob. It's all right. I don't know. We got a lot of learning to do. I only did 5 today, Sobs, just because I feel like proper risk management would mean that I can't full port since I don't really know this platform too much. So we're trading 5 instead of 20. Gonna get used to them. I mean, if we take a payout out of our first ever 5 accounts, then we're just them. You know what I mean? So likely we're gonna bust our first attempt just because it's a learning curve, and I'd rather, you know, be a little bit smart with our money. Risk management, don't risk 20 accounts. Don't full port, but we'll see. I like it so far, Sobs. It's obviously different, and there's a little bit of learning. Like, we just barely got missed on this, which I probably would have been missed on Top Step too, obviously. So I don't know. We're learning. Would have been a beautiful little trade, though. We'd be up 75 points and just crushing. We'd be up 75 points and just crushing, but oh well. I have a question, guys. So I'm allowed to trade 10 contracts. So I could trade 100. Could I trade 50 right now? I could put 50 contracts on, right? For 10 contracts per account. Is that correct? Or am I only allowed to do 10, which would be max 2 per account? Well, no, because if I had 20 accounts, I could only do 10. It would be 1/2. So that can't be true. So I can do it, huh? Crazy. So you could do hypothetically 200 contracts with 20 accounts. Crazy. It is crazy work. All right, we're going to try one here, family. Quick, tight stop. Tight stop if we get a fill. It's a little bit risky. I'm not going to lie to y'all. Buyers are clearly in. Selling's trying to defend. We're looking for a short right now at the 41.50s. Not my favorite. Don't hate it also, though. It's going to have a tight stop on it. We could just keep rinsing the high out here. So we really could. Matter of fact, I probably should not be trying to short that price, to be honest with you. We did push back inside. So my reason for taking the short, nice strong buying out of the longs. They pulled back into the 50%, found some more support, pushed through the top of the 15, but found a reaction. So now I'm trying to short the previous 15-minute range high again. Can you move your order once you put it on? Like, can I move this? No, you can't. Man, Top Step is better. Top Step is just better so far with their trading. Or with the, what was that? Yo, what the fuck was that? Did y'all just see that? And now what does this symbol mean? And why is my group gone? Yo, what the fuck was that? Oh, yo, you're gonna piss me off, dude. What was that? Why did it just take out our fucking group? All right. Okay. We're learning. Save. Account saved. And now it put us in our position. Holy shit, that's weird. What was that? All right, so now I'm going to put this on. Limit buy 5 stop. Break even is going to be on. And now we're going to be just looking for a rotation. I'm going to take this order off. Yes. We started getting some respect through there, but couldn't get it. Got to get it to close here, NASDAQ. I hate trade evade. It's Garbo. Did y'all just see that? Imagine if we had a bit more leverage on how scary that would have been. All right, so we had our break even on, and now we're just kind of letting this thing ride a little bit. Respect at the top of the 15-minute range again. I would like to see a little rotation in around this price. See what type of love we can get into. And it took off this as well. Man, I'm not. Where is it? Where is the volume then? I'm not gonna lie, this is clunky. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's clunky. My screen went black, yay. Dang, Danny. Sorry, Queen. I happened just as you said. Top Step is better. Christopher, it is. It just feels way cleaner. Christopher, it really does. Welcome in though, King. You can slide the order, the holding from the right side and move it up or down. Oh, okay, okay, yes, very good. No, I don't want to modify. I just wanted to know. All right, I appreciate you, True. Thank you, sir. Tyler, use Trade Sync Copier and trade from Trading View is better. Trade Sync Copier and trade from Trading View. Does anyone else do that? Is that the play here? Is that what I should be looking to do? Looks like we're going to get a stop for break even here. Buyers are going to keep rinsing this high, I feel like. I want to see the seller step in, but I don't really love it. Probably our stop should be above the new high a day, but I don't care. We'll take a quick take an attempt at it. Shit looks like it's from the 80s. It's terrible, Sobs.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. I don't like his voice either. Oh, gosh. We got some learning to do here, family. I think longs are in, though. I'm not going to lie about it. This does feel like it's from a just different generation. In Trade of 8, in group, you can't trade her with ATM on, so you need to do TP and stop loss manually. Yeah, that's not super fun. You can do that with Trading View. You can have your brackets. You see on the side where there's this cross to cancel the order. You just use your mouse to hold it and slide it up or down. Yeah, I think I found it. You're the man, True. Appreciate you, King. Yeah, I trade in Trading View. Trade in Trading View. Okay, might be some latency. Just charts are OP. Yeah, you can also use Project X for one account and use Trade Syncer to copy others on Trade of 8. Yeah, you can also use Project X for one account and use Trade Syncer to copy others on the Trade of 8. Wait, for real? They traded with this as the Wolf of Wall Street. Might be some latency, but charts are OP. They are OP, Christopher. Wait, so hold on a second. Hold on a second here, family. Y'all are telling me I can trade with Trade Syncer, use a Project X account. Trade Copia is the move. Trade Copia is the move. Wait, so I can put a Trade Syncer on, trade it through Trade of 8. I didn't think I could do that. Is that what y'all do instead of trading? Does anybody actually do that? Do you use one Project X account and then you're trading across multiple other prop firms like Trade of 8? Or should I just trade with Trading View? I don't know. Yes, you can. Yes. No shit. Y'all are the best. Appreciate the insight. I did not know that. Might be what we're messing around with then, family, because this is just dinosaurs. Feels like we're not having our best chance. Yes, any type of data, you can do that. No, just use Trade Copia. Christopher, drop in the insight. Trade Copia might be our play then, family. Okay, okay. Well, we're going to still mess around with these today, see what type of trouble we can get into, and then maybe tomorrow we mess around with Trade Copia. Never even heard of it. So you use Trade Copia through, and then you use one Project X account, and it copies it. Okay. So then if you're using that, Christopher, why do you not use Trade Syncer's better? Trade Syncer's better. Okay, True. Is that what you use, True, or you trade on Trading View? Let me know what the setups are, family. Because I'm not fucking with this. Off my first 2 trades or impressions so far. Well, it's not too bad. I'm not going to lie to you. I mean, we got a nice fill. We got a nice attempt at price respecting us. It just didn't want to. Feel like we're going to just keep rinsing the high out here. I'm not going to lie. But if the buyers can't take out this new high, then we can look for a long. I just Trade Syncer and use Trading View. Okay, so you use Trading View too. So both of y'all are using Trading View. Trade Copia is on my PC, not cloud based. Is on your PC, not cloud based. I actually do like that. Free 7-day trial on Trade Syncer. You just get used to it. Laugh my ass off. You do. It just feels clunky, Tim. Feels clunky, buddy. Get used to it. We'll give it a little whirl. I'm not opposed to trying Trading View. I do like Trading View. Trade Syncer is Dutch, so it's so much better. Ah, Danny. Guess then we're using Trade Syncer when we do. I'll try Trade Syncer out. Try Trading View. Is it? You guys don't notice anything weird with like fills or like? Hey, you just saw that weird shit I just went through. I put my orders on. They got filled, and then it immediately took off my group, and I had to reload the group. Like, what the fuck was that? Super off-putting, honestly. It filled our position, and when it filled us, it kicked us out of our group and didn't even show our order was on. Really, really, really bad. I trade master account from TradingView, and I trade a master account from TradingView, and I have a copier in NinjaTrader that copy trades to other accounts. Now I try to code a copier form so don't pay more. Now I'm trying to code a copier for me so I don't pay more. I mean, that's hilarious, King. Figure out that code, sir. Then you let this family know we're gonna use that. You get that code, we're gonna use it. You start figuring out a little bot for us. You don't have to use TradingView. You can use Project X. Yeah, I mean, they're the same. They're similar. I guess I would try Project X, though. I guess I wouldn't know how the fuck does that to work, though, because you'd have to buy an account. So I'd have to use, like, a Top Step account to be my, like, main account. I don't know. It's going to be interesting. I'm going to try that. We'll try it. Use a Top Step account for Project X. And then sync it through Trade-of-8. Could get weird. Could get spicy. Or Lucid. That's true, Queen. That's true, Queen. We could do Lucid, which would give us more leverage, 5 more contracts. Or you can buy Tradeify. They also have Project X or Alpha. Top Step seemed to be clean in terms of their like when I used Lucid on Project X, it didn't seem the same. It was similar, but I still got, like, I had price flash through my order and not fill me with Lucid. It's not really it's happened with Top Step, but very little. But I don't know. I appreciate all the information here, family. This is why we're here. That's why we're learning. We're going to figure it out. Once we get a little bit, probably like a week or two, we get a little bit comfortable. We have everything flowing. We're running 20 accounts, and we just know what we're doing, and we can just start letting things happen. It's when it gets fun. We got a little tiny bit of a learning curve, but hey, we like it. We love a little bit of a learning curve. Or Alpha. Alpha is exactly like Top Step. Okay, Mo. Alpha Futures. There's so many great prop firms, guys. We're so lucky. Very lucky. NASDAQ rinsing out the new high here all over again. Yo, there's 30 people watching, family. If y'all are loving that we're messing with Apex now, trying something new, trying to get used to it, drop some love, show some love. I appreciate you guys. It's the easiest way to support the stream. Show me that you're messing with it. We tried a little short here at the top of the range once it got rejected again. Buyer step back up. Now we're just kind of holding out. Not a lot to trade right now. We still have an opening week gap way down below. And right now the NASDAQ's just auctioning higher. So we be patient. We be patient. Oh, very good. Very patient. That's why data level 2 is better. You can use Quantower platform and have built copy trade across all prop firms, and it's great. And Queen use it too. Yeah, Danny, she does use it. Or no, Newbie uses Quantower. I don't like Apex, but I still support. You're the man, Eli. You're the man, King. I'm not sure how I feel about him. But I do like the fact that we have 20 counts. I do like the fact that we have the chance to fucking 6-figure payout, $1 million payout. So we got to deal with a little bit of clunkiness. Only makes sense. It's a fair trade-off, Apex. It's a fair trade-off. I don't like Apex much, but I'll still give you a like. Let's go, family. So like right there, you both just said it. What's our biggest reason that we hate Apex? So far for me, it's just that it's a little clunky. Like I just put an order on Trade-of-8, and that was really off-putting. It immediately took off my group and didn't even show me that I was in it. So that was weird, but I don't know. We'll see. What do y'all not like about it? Hey, there she is. Good morning, newbie. Welcome in, Queen. Let's go. Happy Monday, Queen. Hope you're feeling great, feeling refreshed. Looking forward to the week ahead of us. We're messing with Trade-of-8, which honestly a little off-putting. It just kind of was clunky for us, but we're going to get used to it. Apex used dial-up internet, Eli. Yeah, they do, King. They really, really seem to. Look at this also. I had this on day volume profile. It was loading, and then when that order filled, it took it off. And now, oh, now it's back. Finally. Telling you, it's just clunky, gross. Yep. It is very slow. I actually don't mind using trade evade. It's just Apex tries to find any reason not to pay out. Hey, I mean, that's fair. It's fair. They are giving us an insane opportunity to make money, so they got to try to protect themselves. I think that is a little bit bullshit. If you're passing the rules, pay your people. It's that simple. Nice strong hourly close on the NASDAQ. Could find some continuation from it. I think I would like a little pull into like maybe, I don't know. I'm going to buy this bottom here, family. I'm buying the 621s here. We are respecting the top of this range again, but I kind of feel like NASDAQ's going to keep rinsing. Buying the dip. Let's see if we can get a fill.
Order filled.
All right. Order filled. Well, now let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Order filled, darling. Very good then. Chummy, chummy. Very good. Actually, don't mind using. Also heard of them asking for a video of yourself taking trades and explaining your strategy. Yikes. Luckily for them, I live stream so they can come check it out. If you want to, papa. Come check out my mindset. I tell you guys exactly what I'm thinking when I'm thinking it. So look, Apex, you don't like it, you don't like it. Looking to see some respect at our price. Started getting a little bit of reaction. Still getting suppressed below that EMA. We got to get through there if we want to find some higher prices. Got to get through that EMA again. Really, the next obstacle is going to be if we can get through these 35s, a nice close. We should be looking to the upside here. So the funded seat is even more tough. I'm learning Rhythmic. I do not like Rhythmic. Laugh my ass off. What's up with Rhythmic, King? Slow too. Probably dinosaur-like. Probably very dinosaur-like, Corey. Put your stop loss in TP, King. Great job, Amin. I guess the safest spot to stop out of this, 40 points, so that's $800. Don't really want to take all that. I guess we just list our normal 15 points here if we get a rinse of the high. So then we'd be selling 5 stop out at this price. And our TP, I'm just not gonna, I don't have a TP yet, actually. Gonna kind of let this just operate as it might. Maybe we come take out highs again. Got to get through this 15-minute range, and we could look pretty decent here. I have our stop loss on. I don't have a profit target on yet. Just want to kind of let price move here a little bit. I'd like to see us kind of take out these highs all over again. Got to get through this EMA, though. Feels even older. Damn. I know Rhythmic has been around since the year of the rat, so not super surprised, Corey. You're the king for trying it out for us, though, keeping us informed. Good luck with it. Hopefully it gets proper. Hopefully it gets proper for you so you can get a payout. If not, hold your entry zone. I see more drawdown. If not, hold your entry zone. I see more drawdown, King. Me too, sir. That's why I have my stop there, or my spot there. Could put our break even on if we get a flush of this high. If we get a flush of these 48s, I'm going to put our break even on. Is this Top Step reserve? No, sir. King, welcome in, though. It is Apex. Trading on Apex, trading on Trade of 8 right now. Got to remember you're trading more for scalps because of trailing drawdown. Oh, yeah. So we can't just go with snipes. Right. Which is why I should be looking in for more leverage. Got it, Tim. W Timothy right there. Because, yeah, he's right. Since we're looking for rotations, we can't really be... Since we're looking for quick scalps. So, wait. Will I take an effect off that since that happens? I will, won't I? Because what are we up right now? We're up a little bit. Let's see NASDAQ try to take out this high. Be kind to us. Go rinse out that price up there. There you go. Get up there. I'm gonna trail our stop below this. Ooh, yes, below this new low here. Actually, I don't know if I like that. Leave our profit on. Yes. Oh no, couldn't get through there. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Couldn't get through the 46s that we wanted to see for our break even. Come on, NASDAQ, show us some love here. Get back up through there. Get back up through there, girl. Show me some love. I don't like having to like look for scalps. It makes me feel like we're like, I don't know. This doesn't feel like trading.
Stop field.
Oh, I hate how loud that is. I do not like his fucking damn stop step. Really fucked you, huh? They lost the fan. They lost the fan, Sobs. Rhythmic UIs is prehistoric, Christopher. I bet. They're like I said, they've been around since forever. Unable to hold our spot. Finding some more selling here. Looks like that might have been the last. Bump, 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 bump. Yeah, so drawdown is 2,500. If you go up 500, then go broke even. Your drawdown, you're down to 2,000 drawdown. Glitching candles on Top Step X. No, Robbie, usually Top Step X is pretty good. Yeah, so drawdown is 2,500. If you go up $500, then get broke even, your drawdown to $2,000 drawdown. No fucking way. So did that just happen to us? What did we get in at? 21s, and we got up to the 46s. So we were up $400 there. 400. Did that just happen to me? You can mute that, dude. Be careful with the training. Be careful with the training. You can mute that, dude. What do you mean, Danny? What do you mean, Queen? Bro, how do you set up the VWAP? My VWAP does not look like yours. I set up a... Holy shit. Are we just that fucking bad? Are we just that bad? It just wanted our money like that? I used a indicator, sir, called... What did I do? Yeah, it's the non-VWAP band. So I actually added it. I searched it up and I added this one and I took everything else off except for the VWAP. It looked to be one of the cleaner ones. Wow, are we just unlucky or what, family? Came through, rinsed out our stop loss, and then just takes out to the highs here. Gosh, that's frustrating. That's kind of frustrating. Yep, trailing. Sorry. Be careful with trailing. You can mute that dude. It's trailing. You're okay, Queen. Always monitor your auto liquidation value and trade evade to see how much drawdown you have left. Auto liquidation value. Where's that at? Net liquidity, margin. Where's that at? My auto liquidation balance. Oh, wait, right there. Account balance. No. Where's that at? Price action, second entry. Yeah, I know, Wildflower. Welcome in, Queen. Haven't seen you in a while. Happy to have you here. Yep, I got stop lost at my price, and then it respected me. Should have been a re-entry, possibly. You can add your accounts and see what your drawdown is left. You can put it in your below your chart. You can add your accounts and see what your drawdown is left. Click on Apex. I am cop. What's up, Rafar? Rafirian. Rafirman. What's up, King? Rafi. Click on Apex. Click on Apex. Plus sign on the top left. To add module. Oh. What am I looking for? I don't see like P&L or anything, or I don't see drawdown, or I don't really see anything there. What are you looking for there? I am copying trading you, waiting for you to go long. Hey, good luck. Good luck, Rafir. We aren't copying here. I'm not giving levels. Well, I'm giving levels, but it's more just as insight. Trade at your own risk, King. Accounts. Y'all are the best, seriously. Where that at? Where that accounts at? Got to look it up. TNS, Pulse, Options, Log, Chart, News, Legacy Accounts. There it is. Oh. What the fuck just happened? Trade-a-bait. What the fuck just happened? What? Holy shit. Drag it at the bottom. Bottom of what? It just reset my entire fucking things. Am I an idiot? You are so silly. Drag it at the bottom. Average Apex user experience. L Apex. Yo, what the fuck? Is it me? What'd I just do? Where's my chart? Chart? You might reset your layout, laugh my ass off, dude. Holy shit, family. We're trying. We are trying. We are trying. Hey, you know, this is why I went with 5 accounts. We got a little bit of learning curve. No big deal. No big deal here. No big deal here. Let's see if it reloads our shit. It did not. Oh my fucking word. Oh shit. Okay, so how do I reset this then? Is it this button? No. I'm getting a call. What's up, sir? You know how to fix this?
Did you fix it?
Nope.
Okay, go back up to add modules.
Yeah.
And then under the little search spot, it'll say like default.
Oh, you're the man. Got you.
And then now when you do the account thing, you'll like just click it, grab onto it and drag it, and you can drag it down to the bottom of your chart.
All right, you're the man, brother. I appreciate it. All right, well, Tim, our man, just called and saved us. Apex might be using this confusing on purpose. That's why I use TradingView. Trade-a-bait is better. Welcome to Trade-a-bait. LOL, worse than Top Step. It feels terrible, newbie. I'm hating it. Dark default. All right, so now that we have this fucking thing, actually, I'm gonna do it again. Closing this view, remove your layout. Yes, go away. Go away. I do not need you here. Accounts. Okay. Is there anywhere to add it that would be like a little bit better than down below? Because I like my space. I guess I could put it down here. Is that better? I don't really like that it's down here. It feels a little clunky. Wait. That's way too big. Ugh. I'm just messing around, fam. I want to know where I want this thing all the time. But does this show me? This is just. It doesn't show me my drawdown though. Or does it? Or does it? Down. Time to make a new Top Step account with someone else's info. Sobs can't do it, King. I wish. If you click on the plus, then you can add positions and save all this as a template. Yeah, that's a good. That's what I did with my other one. I did save this. You're the man, Amy. Cogwheel to add drawdown. Cogwheel. Where you at? Select columns. Drawdown auto liquidation level. Thank you. Auto show 47,934. So yeah, we lost. No, we didn't. Did we? Yeah, because it would be 48,000. No, it would be 48,500 or 47,500. $2,500 down. So yeah, we just lost some drawdown there. Oh, Apex, you fucking. Damn it. So we have to be in and out now, family. We have to be in and out if that's the case. I can also add some other ones. We'll like what? Total dollar total P&L. Yup. All right, family. Holy shit, we're learning. Seriously, W you guys. I appreciate the support and all the help with that. We're figuring it out. You know what I mean? We're gonna learn, we're gonna try, and then we're gonna keep back. I'm still. Why did we just get stopped out of our long there? That's pretty frustrating. What else? What else? I have a dollar open, dollar total P&L, and trailing max. Dollar open. Total dollar P&L, dollar total P&L, and then trailing max. I think this is the same, T-Nads. This PA is trash anyways. Better to learn your new platform. I agree, Sobs. It is ass. We just had a nice, strong 50-minute range. Push to the upside. Keep respecting these levels and pushing for higher prices. So not a lot going on here. Rinsing the high out over and over. I'm going to put an order in here. Buy 5. Actually, I want to do 10. Buy 10 right here. Buy 10, limit. Buy 10, limit. Let's see what happens. It's coming to my level. Heavy short at the 686 incoming. I'm going to ride up to the 686s there. I like that. I like it, Mo. Maybe a little short here. I like it. Wildflower, good luck, Queen. Now that I know that, family, that we're taking drawdown and all that shit, I'm just going to be looking for snipes, in and outs, which I don't love. It's not my trading strategy. That's why we have to learn a little bit more adjustments, but it's what the game's asking for. Add distance to drawdown also. Isn't that what this is? I guess I could do the whole math myself. Yeah, I don't like that one. Almost just got tapped in there to our long, family. Almost just got tapped into our long there. Trying to get this back out of here. Looking for a double contract, so technically 10 at these 35s. Want to see price just keep rinsing for us. Never gave us our fill there. It's coming to my level. Like I said, these are probably, unless we're just them, our first attempt, new platform's probably going to go bust instead of boom. So that's why I went with 5 accounts instead of 20. Now I'm going to try to see if we can get into this. Our drawdown got updated by $500, $430. So I got to look for in and outs of this, which it's tough. It's lame. Come on, give me a touch. A little touch-rooney and biscuits here. Come on, come get me, Nazi. I'm asking really nicely here. I need you to come get me at these 30s for a quick flash. Quickest little flash at the 30s here, NASDAQ. Top step being weird anyways. Random candles missing on the chart. Really, Sobs. It's not like them. It's not like them at all, now is it? Don't think that was the right one, LOL. Trailing drawdown sucks. I'll never ever use it. I'll never ever use it. Never use it. I get you, Mo. They offer opportunities. Yo, Fabi. Good morning, King. Rise and shine, my boy. Welcome in. Welcome in. Well, we're trying, family. Learning. We're learning. We are just out here learning. There's 36 people watching. If y'all have not yet, smash that little thumbs up. Let's support the stream. First time trying Apex. Might be our last time trying Trade-Evate. I'm not sure. Couple great information to maybe use a trade syncer, maybe use TradingView, maybe just go back to Project X with a single account. I don't know. We got options, but see what happens here. We'll see what type of trouble we can get into. I was trying to find a long pullback in around this price. I'm going to be patient, see if we can get a fill at it. Looking for a 10 contracts, technically 2 per count at the 630s. How is this working so far, King? We got some learning to do, Pobby. I'm not going to lie to you, family. We got a little bit to work to do, a little bit of adjustments to learn. We're so used to Project X and everything, so I don't hate it, but we definitely got a little bit of learning to do. Come give me my fill right here, NASDAQ. Come down here and give me my fill. Just like this played out. Stop me out of the original and then play through. You know what I mean? That's kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, Trader Bay is definitely different, huh? It's different, sir. It's slower. Feels like I'm trading with a dinosaur. Feels a little prehistoric. I was trying MFF. Trading View is better. Ruckus, I agree, King. Trading View is, they have their shit together. You have to like pay to use their actual charts though, don't you? Like, don't you have like a Trading View membership premium to like use their charts and then from there you can trade sync or something? I don't know. We are just getting unluckily filled. Price action right now is pretty slow. NASDAQ pushing up from the top of the opening print price to the top of the 50-minute range. Just kind of holding the range right now. We're looking to long a pullback into the 630s, but so far not a lot happening. I tried your strat, adding position and profits. It's going insanely good. Thanks, Ty. Hey, that's insane to hear, man. I love hearing it, King. Add when you're in profit, baby. Add when you're in profit. Put that break even on. Let your trade ride. I love hearing that. Congratulations. That's badass, Mo. I'd stay out, King. You don't like the buyback at the 30s? Shit is choppy. It is very choppy. You're not wrong. Not wrong at all, Chris. I'm going to let it ride a little bit. See if we can get a little rotation. I want to see NASDAQ just keep respecting the high. Last attempt probably at the 630s. It's already 10:36. It is getting pretty late into our morning. There's almost 40 people watching, family. Could we get to 25 likes? It would be insane. It would be, if every single person here hit it, we would crush that goal. So if like half of you guys hit it, we'd still be doing well. Damn, family. NASDAQ pushing the highs again here at the 660s. Still just going up from opening print price at the 520s. We're up about 140 points. Hasn't really pulled back a whole lot. This is garbage. I agree, Danny. This is not the most, excuse me, attractive. Are you on a trade? It's not. It's hard. It's so hard to see if you were in a trade or not. Top Step was very easy. I'm not in a trade. Nope. The only way you'll be able to tell, I think, buddy, which will be like right here, it'll update my price pretty easily. Like this isn't it. This is just the last, but you'll see like below or somewhere around here my profit and loss when I'm in a trade, but not right now, sir. Are you up or down so far, King? We are down $7.24. But we have lost like $400 in drawdown. So we're only down $7. But yeah, we lost some drawdown because we took a trade and didn't put break even on. Or no, we broke even on our trade and then we got rinsed. Are you up or down? Would love to see the liquidity taken out of the 591s. I would too. Problem is that'd crush me. That'd crush me, Chris. What is wrong with the candles on Top Step? They are mostly missing. That's crazy, newbie. Saab was saying the same shit. Morning, fam. A couple of break-evens today. Up 69. Let's go, Miguel. Way to lock it in, King. Break-evens are not bad. Way to be there. Short here. Let's go, Wildflower. Good luck, Queen. Shorting the top of the range. Not a bad play. Maybe get a push back in towards our price. We're still trying to find a long. We'll see what happens. Fuck yeah, Poppy. We're down $7, but we lost $400 in drawdown. Damn, that drawdown sounds dumb. Sobs. Because I was in a trade and I was up $500 and then I didn't close up 500. You lose that $500 in drawdown, even though I got broke even. Kind of insane. How much did these accounts cost you? Heard Apex is super cheap. So I have 5 accounts. Each one was $56, I believe, with the code that I used. So I spent like 280 bucks, I think. I have the math on my phone, but gonna get tapped into our long here, possibly at these 30s. So it's like 250 bucks, 230 bucks, something like that. 250 or 280 or something like that for the 5 accounts. And then when you run 10 accounts, obviously gets, or 20, a little bit more cheaper. Just got touched into our long there. I do not like this the way this dude talks to us. Well, we got to keep our eyes sniping now, family. If we have to hit these prices, then we got to just get in and out. We can't be fucking crazy. Let's get some respect at our price, and maybe we can put our break even on. I got to put our stop loss in, though. Stop loss is just going to be below our range here by a few points. Sell 10, stop. Sell 10, stop. Stop loss is in. Technically, I think we could go rinse that price, sadly, but I don't want to see it. Come on, NASDAQ. Show me some love here. Just a little bit of love here. Blue line means you're in a trade. Oh, yeah, there you go. That helps too. If you see this blue line, you'll see that I'm in. Also, you can see right here this price flashing. So, little indicators. Okay, that's so garbage. Minus 400 on trail. That's break even. That's BS. I know, it is kind of wild. Just an adjustment period, Pobby. We just got some new stuff to learn. That's all, King. Show me some love here, NASDAQ. Show me some love here. Get up through there so I can put a little something on here. We got to try to snipe. Show me something. Come on. Show me something. TradeAvate is way better. Is way better of a platform in TradingView. You have the real volume and advanced tool to scalp like pro traders. Every pro trader knows that it's not tick movement. Volume is real. Mika, what's up, King? Welcome in. Micah. Hope I'm not butchering your name too bad, but yeah, appreciate you, King. Welcome in. TradingView, you have the real volume and advanced. A lot of people are recommending TradingView. I know it is cleaner in terms of just like the chart and everything, so we could give it a try. But we're used to. We're gonna try Apex out. Try TradeAvate out. I had the tiniest experience with TradeAvate a few years ago, so gonna let them see if they can completely turn me off. It kind of already did when I put my first trade on today. And then it like closed my group and got weird, but so I don't know. We'll see. I think they have better discounts, Mo. So he says it's cheaper with the insane discounts. I think they have better discounts than the one that we caught right now, but it's the best one that they're running right now. Crazy stuff, LOL. It really is, Sobs. Amen to this, brother. Let's go, work. Good luck. Amen, King. Get this to hold. Come on, baby. Show me some love here, Nazi. Not really seeing any response out of our buyers here, sadly. Wanted to see a little bit of a reaction here at our price. We are literally the line in the sand right now. Feel like we're going to get rinsed. Yup.
Stop filled.
Ugh, my fucking word. So now we're down 470 bucks. Don't you fucking dare, NASDAQ. No, don't you dare pretend that you're going to go do that to me. Crazy I didn't get a fill, though. That is insane, Sub. The accounts right now are 56, but activation is only 40. Yeah, so it's 96 total, all in for 20 accounts. So you're looking at like, you know, 1,900 bucks for the 20 to activate. Hey, Ty, I've been using the 1,000 ticks, and oh my God, so good. You like the ticks, huh? All right, Pobby. I like that, King. What do you know? We're the fucking line in the sand so far. I haven't messed around with tick trading, but I know a lot of people do enjoy it, Pobs. So whatever works for you, just keep being consistent. You know that. Discount, but activation fee is a bit. Activation fee is pretty cheap. $40 activation fee is really not bad. It's like 75% cheaper than Top Steps activation fees. It's like going into the candle. With the ticks, yeah. Yeah, it's a different view. It's a different view. Like I said, just be consistent with it, and you can find some success there. I'm going to try to buy this bottom again. Fuck. feel like we got stopped out on some bullshit.
Order filled.
All right. We're in this again. Still looking to see this rotate up there for us. Come on, longs. EMA is being the resistance here. Trading through this makes me think we're actually going to go see the 96s here. I think I might have been overzealous with our entry. Come on, NASDAQ. Holy shit. Just since the 37s here, 1037, we've just been suppressed. Longs have just went to sleep on us. Longs have just went to sleep on us. Like, seriously, though. The fuck is this? Now we haven't seen this much selling in this. Like, come on now, NASDAQ. Be realistic. Let's be realistic now. Let's get some studying reaction here. Come on. It's going into the candle. I thought it was 100. Hey, Ty, change your settings to go automatically into a trade so you don't have to confirm it. Ooh, that's a good option. Actually, I might confirm it right now, sir, just because I've been clicking this shit all the time on accident. But I will. I see a short. Yeah, honestly, Matrix, at this point, I agree with you. I wanted to see us respect this price, but we're not. So that to me tells me that shorts are in control. And I think we have a chance to push back in towards, like, maybe these 96s. But I don't want to just... I don't know. We're learning. We are learning. So all I was looking for is a little bit of buying out of this shit. Fucking all morning we're buying. We get fucking 10 red candles in a row. No reaction. Where is the reaction? Let's go, NASDAQ. Gosh. Be realistic now, girl. Play your rules. Play your game. Get up there. Get up through that EMA one time. Get up through that EMA one time. Now I can put my stop loss at least below this price. We have our stop loss here below this low. Getting up a little bit in reaction. Let's see if we can get it back above that EMA. Come on, longs. Show me something here. Show me something. Get through that EMA. Print through there. Print through there, baby. Come on, buyers. I see short, bro. Stops at those highs. Better risk to reward. Short to 645. It is a better risk to reward, but we're just going to be, we're patient. See what happens here. Probably our final trade of the day. It's already getting late into the morning. Not getting through the EMA isn't really good. Isn't good for us there. Got to see the longs respect that and get through that price. Otherwise, we're probably going to be cooked. Never tried Apex. Is there consistency on the evals? I don't think on the evals. Sometimes, Mo, actually. I think they have different discounts. I think the discount they're running right now is a 1 day to pass. So there isn't a consistency, but I think sometimes there is. I'm not sure. I think that's the answer, though. Wow, we have a shit fucking price. The price is not going anywhere. Nowhere. Just completely still at these 620s. Like nothing is happening. My word. Still suppressed below the EMA. Not really good for our trade here. Probably going to get stopped.
Stop filled.
Wow. Super annoying. Fucking boring. Boring. Because now it's going to go fly up there. Now that it stopped us out. It's classic bullshit. Holy fuck. What happened? What happened here? 15 minutes of just selling. What happened here? We're buying this bottom. Don't have a lot of options, so we're just gonna try, family. I am not believing these shorts whatsoever right now. Not believing these shorts whatsoever right now. Can you possibly give us a fill in there? Am I gonna be off by a... Looking for a fill at the 96.50s. Looking for 3 contracts each. We'll see what happens. Full port instead of hard TP. Also chop king. Yeah, it's very choppy. The trailing drawdown will kill you, Ty, with the way you trade. I know. I know. That's why I got to learn. That's why we're going to try. We're going to have to take some losses, family. But once we learn officially what we need to do. No way you're going to fucking tease me like that. Oh my god, my ability to predict the absolute bottom lately without getting fills has been different. I'm trying though. We'll see what happens, Matrix. Pretty much a full port. Also chop. We need a good flush down. Tap me in here and then retract. Tap me in. Bink.
Order filled.
Alright. Officially just got tapped in. We're pretty much just gonna let this see what happens here. We gotta find some reaction. Oh yeah. Well, there was the flash down, Danny. Jesus Christ. Well, that means that we're probably officially dead on these accounts. 300, 200, 100. Yeah.
Order filled.
And we just busted our first Apex attempt. So, yeah, baby. Awesome price action. Look at that. Oh, all right. Well, we're learning. We are learning. It's a really gross fucking candle on the hourly after the reaction there. Oh, I feel like I'm learning trading all over again. Ugh. Anyways, we load back up. We try again tomorrow, family. I don't know if we're going to do 20 tomorrow or another 5 just to keep figuring out the a couple things here. But, yeah, that was that. We just lose. We lose. Yeah, we did. We lose. We lost 5 accounts. First try. We're going to load back up tomorrow. Do it again. But I appreciate you guys for stopping in. Means the most. Holy, if that doesn't fill you, no way. Seems positive. Might have to go long soon. Well, that was crazy. We go again. Indeed, Mo. No worries. I won't be trading tomorrow. All right, Matrix. It's a stat holiday over here. No worries, King. Stay doing 5 accounts, brother, until you get a payout from them. Great day today, though. I appreciate your work. It's good advice. I am probably going to stick with 5 for a little while just to get comfortable. I don't know. I won't even need to take a payout before I feel comfortable. I just want to get a little bit more comfortable. See you tomorrow, Ty. Take it easy, Danny. Thank you for being here, Queen. All good. Don't give up. Never. We never give up, Poppy. Study mistakes, King. Absolutely. I will. Gonna see what we did wrong, see what we did right. Get used to a new platform. Maybe mess around with Trade Sinker. I'm not sure. If you guys haven't yet, it would mean a lot to support the stream. Put a little thumbs up. Show some love for me blowing some Apex accounts today. First try with them. But other than that, guys, you guys are the best. I appreciate you for stopping in, spending your morning together. Drink some sun. Get some water. Everyone, whoever trades gold, watch it on London session tonight. Hey, it works dropping the insights. Watch gold in the Asia, or the London, I mean. Past 1 combine today. No more copy trading. Hey, Matrix, slowing it down, King. I love that. Congrats on passing 1, baby. Slow it down if that's what you need. It's Veterans Day tomorrow. Thank a vet and have a good day. Absolutely. Thank a vet. We're here blessed to be able to give away our time like this because they gave their time to us. So I appreciate you guys. Like the video. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. Tomorrow, thank a veteran. And I'll see y'all tomorrow when the fun continues. All right, y'all. Have a great rest of your Monday. I appreciate you guys. Peace.